Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia here with another video. Y'all, I legit just logged off from work. I'm talking about shut down, logged off, packed the stuff up, put it to the side, everything. And I said, well, while I'm in here, I might as well go ahead and show y'all what I got in my November BoxyCharm. Alright, so I'm gonna be honest. I got my box a couple Wednesday, and when I got it, it was late. They scared the mess out of me knocking on my door too. It came late Wednesday night, and I was not about to record. And then Thursday, I think I got off. Once I logged off for work, I was like, yeah, don't feel like doing this today either. So I have opened it. I know what's in it, but I said, since I opened it, I might as well try these products and I can tell y'all what I thought about it. So let's see what I got. I'll tell y'all what I have on, what I tried, and we'll go from there. So this month was BoxyCharm Harvest, and that is the card. And this is what my box is looking like. Now I'm gonna be honest. Let me move this card. It is looking a little bit on the skimpy side. Yeah, we'll get into all of that. So the first things first, I'll go with what I chose. If you don't know, with BoxyCharm, every month you get an opportunity to choose one of your products. And this month, one of the products was the Benefits Gimme Brow. I've tried this before. I love it. This is a full size, which I was actually kind of shocked that for Benefits, this is their full size. This is a brow gel, but what I like about this brow gel is that it really does fill in your brow. So if you're rushing and you don't have time to like go with your pencil and really fill in your brows, you can use this and it'll still give you a full brow look. I actually have it on today. Yeah, I had a meeting with work, so I had to get on Zoom, so I had to get myself together. So I do have this on. This is, like I said, the full size. This is $24, and you get, what is it? 0.1 ounces for this. But I will say that it is worth it, and I have, I guess, what is the color? Do they say? And don't say it on here. I should know. I chose the color because you could choose your color too, but it don't say on here, and it does not say on the thing, but I'll show you the wine. It's a very fine wine. So that is what the wine is looking like. And like I said, I just think that this is one of the best brow gels out there. And I have it on. I didn't fill my brows in. I just put some brow gel on. And it is great. Next, I have the Jacob Block Liquid Corrector 2.0. This is $15. It is an under eye brightener. And that helps to disguise darkness and evens out skin tones. It's a lightweight formula that creates a natural glowing finish. And this is 0.34 fluid ounces. So this is what it's looking like. They didn't ask like for a color. Do it have a color on here? Like a shade. It says 1D0. I'm not sure, is that like a universal shade? I'm not going to open it yet because I don't know if I want to use it quite yet. I think this would probably be great if you're like doing a makeup look where you're not trying to wear a lot of makeup. Maybe you're doing a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer. You probably could wear this with it. I'm guessing. Wear it under it. Next, I have the Farcelli Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. This is 1 fluid ounces, and this is $24, and it does have the hyaluronic acid in it. Farcelli is a great brand. I see them a lot. Oh, I really like this packaging. And this is what it is looking like. I like this frosted bottle. I'm not going to open it yet. I'm not sure if, even though it's a brand name and it's a real popular brand, I'm not sure if I'm going to put this in my giveaway box or if I'm going to keep it. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to hold off on opening it. Now, let me say this. No, I'm going to go ahead. So next I have the 111. I don't know if it's 111 skin, 111 skin, 111 skin. I don't know. It says 111 skin, another hyaluronic acid, aqua booster. This is 0.68 fluid ounces. And this one is $135. And this is what it's looking like. This little bitty bottle is $135. Let me shade that for y'all so y'all can see it. Now this I did use this morning. I added a few drops in with my tinted moisturizer, and I have to say it gave me a very hydrated look. My skin did have a bit of a glow to it, and I put it on this morning with my tinted moisturizer, and it's been 8 hours since. I blotted my skin just a little bit for the sake of recording so I wouldn't be super shiny. So with this one, you can drop it in your moisturizer. I think this will be great to drop like in your foundations or your BB creams or your tinted moisturizer just to give your skin an extra boost. So I did like that. And last but not least, I have the Half Cake Game Changer 3-lip fondants. This is $32 and you get 3 lip colors. And I have one on. I actually have on the low. Wait a minute. No. I have on the themes. Yeah, I have one theme song. If you've been following me, you know I love this mauve-like color for a lip color. So I love that. And I actually have it on, I think this is the one I have on. I actually have it on, I think, now. I did have to touch it up. I've been drinking coffee, had a little soda, little ginger ale. Stomach was a little tight this morning, and I'm drinking water. So that is that. It also has the low key, which is this color. I'll go ahead and give y'all some swatches because I'm keeping these. Can't have enough lip color. So this one is low key. And then I'll show you the one that I have on, which is theme song. These are matte. Yeah, this is the one I got on. That's theme song. And then last is Bordeaux. Which is like a brownish red, like a brick. And so those are the 3 colors. Now, I do got a little scent. A little scent to them, but those are the nice. They're very creamy, easy to go on. I didn't pay attention to if it lasted, but I had it on for 7 hours. It did kind of go off. So, but they're still really pretty colors, and it looks like they'll all go great with my complexion. So that's great as well. Now, I will say this. Like I said, the box did look a little skimpy. My one complaint this month is that I got 2 serums. And if you notice, I didn't get a eyeshadow palette, which honestly, I'm not even tripping about not getting an eyeshadow palette because I have so many eyeshadow palettes and I really don't wear eyeshadow like that. So I'm not mad about not getting an eyeshadow eyeshadow palette. But I am a little salty about getting 2 serums. Even though they do seem like two great serums, I just don't need two serums. So I did do a review on BoxyCharm and let them know, like, hey, what's up with that? Why did I get two serums? But other than that, I'm not like mad at this box. I'm not excited about it. You know, like I said, because I got two serums. So I'm not like super mad at it. But the products that I got are great products. $135 serum. Definitely going to be using this. Messing up my shirt. I'm definitely going to be using this in my with my tinted moisturizers. We'll be using this with my BB creams. I don't know if I want to use it with my foundations. It says that you can drop it in your moisturizers, so I'll definitely use it with those. And I'll probably use it like at night as a nighttime serum, so I will be getting a lot of usage out of this one. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna use this one because I have two. I am grateful because I did want a product with I can't even say it, hyaluronic acid, because it is great for your skin, especially if you are in your 40s, such as I have. You're a little marinated, you know, a little seasoned. You might want to add that to your skincare regimen. It just helps to add extra moisture to your skin. As you get older, your skin does tend to be drier. Even though I have oily skin, look how that made a mess. Even though I do have oily skin, I still like to make sure that my skin is hydrated. And that's where that come in. And it also helps with a glow. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.